Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto wallet in Binance. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account. If not, you'll need to register and complete identity verification, which typically takes a few minutes. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section. Binance provides various wallet types, including spot and funding wallets, each serving different purposes for your crypto journey. We'll focus on setting up your primary spot wallet for trading. Now that your wallet is ready, let's talk about funding it. You have a couple of main options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange by selecting the specific coin and generating a deposit address. Alternatively, you can buy crypto directly using fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, through various payment methods such as bank transfers or credit cards. Always double-check the network and address to ensure a smooth transaction. Security is paramount when managing your crypto. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Regularly review your transaction history to monitor all deposits and withdrawals. Familiarize yourself with Binance's withdrawal limits and any associated fees, which can vary by cryptocurrency and network. Keeping your account secure is a continuous effort, so stay vigilant. Beyond basic storage, Binance offers advanced features to maximize your crypto. You can explore staking options to earn passive income on certain cryptocurrencies, or use the convert function for quick, fee-free swaps between different assets. Binance also provides options for futures and margin trading if you're looking for more advanced strategies. Remember, for a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Always research thoroughly before engaging in any advanced trading activities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.